Okay, this is coming out the other side of our garage. Kyle is determined to see the depth of the snow now that he has his waders on. He can drudge through without getting wet everywhere.
Yeah, there's a solid 12 inches.
Yeah, solid 12 inches all the way out from the house out. Oh boy. And it just keeps blowing. And our yard is notorious for getting very tall snow drifts when it blows.
There's 4 feet of snow here.
Oh man. So there's 4 feet of snow to get the last bit. That's our driveway that he's walking on, ladies and gentlemen. That is our driveway in 4 feet of snow. Yeah, I think our plow's not going to get us out of this. Oh my gosh. He's disappearing into the white behind the big mounds of snow we already had in the yard from pushing the last big dump that we got. Where did you go? He's 6 feet 2 and he's covered by all the snow. I can't see him anywhere. Oh my goodness. God bless Wisconsin. It is so windy and cold right now. You can see the snow blowing across. Just makes piles and piles and piles of snow. You move it so you can get out, and then it blows right back where you just moved it from. And you have to move it again. So crazy. Yes. There's our tall retaining wall, partially covered in snow. Brand new 12 inches just fell last night on top of what we already had, which was 10 to 12 inches to start with. Crazy. Crazy. I still can't find him. I don't know where he went. Probably trying to make it all the way to the road, but I can't see over the large mounds of snow we have in the front yard from all the other snow that we had to block or push.